ইন্ডিয়ার টপ 15 জন ধনী অভিনেতা 2024 লিস্ট। নাম্বার 1 শাহরুখ খান 730 মিলিয়ন। শাহরুখ খান শুধুমাত্র ধনী নন, তিনি দর্শক ধরে কাজ করা বলিউডের অন্যতম জনপ্রিয় অভিনেতা। তিনি এসআরকে, বাদশা এবং কিং খানের মতো বিভিন্ন নামে পরিচিত। শুধু ভারতেই নয়, বিশ্বব্যাপী জনপ্রিয়তা অর্জন করেছেন। নাম্বার 2 অমিতাভ বচ্চন 410 মিলিয়ন। কবি হরিবংশী রায় বচ্চনের ছেলে অমিতাভ বচ্চন নিজেই বলিউডের অন্যতম বিখ্যাত তারকা। অসংখ্য ফ্লপ সহ একজন সংগ্রামী অভিনেতা হিসাবে শুরু করা অমিতাভের সাফল্য আসে আনন্দ চলচ্চিত্রে সহায়ক অভিনেতা হিসাবে। অমিতাভ বচ্চনকে $40 মিলিয়ন বেশি সম্পত্তি সহ বলিউডের সবচেয়ে ধনী অভিনেতাদের মধ্যে গণ্য করা হয়। নাম্বার 3 সালমান খান 350 মিলিয়ন। সালমান খান হলেন একজন বিশিষ্ট বলিউড অভিনেতা, যিনি ভারতের সবচেয়ে ধনী অভিনেতাদের তালিকায় তৃতীয় স্থানে রয়েছে। নাম্বার 4 ঋত্বিক রোশন 370 মিলিয়ন।
Hrithik Roshan is known not just for his acting but for his dancing skills despite being diagnosed with scoliosis in his early 20s, making appearances in many movies since he was a child. The major role of Hrithik came in his movie Kaho Na, Pyar Hai. His father Rakesh Roshan is also a Bollywood actor, producer, director, screenwriter with whom he has collaborated on many films. With a net worth of $370 million, Hrithik ranks fourth among the richest Bollywood actors of all time.
নাম্বার 5 অক্ষয় কুমার 340 মিলিয়ন।
Akshay Kumar is a well-known Bollywood actor who has appeared in more than 100 films in his 30-year acting career. Originally named Rajiv Bhatia, he changed his name to Akshay based on the movie character, Akshay. In his debut movie Aaj, success came to Akshay Kumar through his role in 1992 movie Khiladi, which turned into a franchise and also earned him the name Khiladi Kumar. Currently, his net worth is estimated to be around $340 million, making him one of the richest Indian actors.
নাম্বার 6 আমির খান 230 মিলিয়ন।
Recognized as Mr. Perfectionist, Amir Khan has known the great lengths he goes to make his movie as perfect and flawless as possible. Acting earlier in movies like Yadon Ki Baaraat and Holi, his full-time career as an actor started with his leading role in Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak. He has won 9 Filmfare Awards, 4 National Film Awards, an AACTA award and nominations for many others. His movie Lagan earned an Academy Award nomination for Best Foreign Language Film, making Amir one of the few Indian filmmakers to ever receive an Oscar nomination.
নাম্বার 7 জিতেন্দ্র 200 মিলিয়ন।
Jitendra was born on the 7th of April 1942 as Ravi Kumar. He was born in Amritsar, Punjab. He is also the chairman of the Balaji Motion Pictures and Balaji Telefilms. He worked in nearly 200 films as a lead actor.
নাম্বার 8 চিরঞ্জীবী 200 মিলিয়ন।
The full name of Chiranjeevi is Konidela Shivashankara Vara Prasad. He was born on the 22nd of August 1955 in Mogultha, Andhra State, India. He also received Padma Bhushan in 2006. He has worked in more than 150 films including Telugu, Hindi, Kannada, and Tamil films.
নাম্বার 9 রামচরণ 175 মিলিয়ন।
Counted among the highest paid actors of Indian cinema, Ram Charan already bagged many prestigious awards including 2 Nandi Awards and 3 Filmfare Awards. The full name of Ram Charan is Konidela Ram Charan. He was born on the 27th of March 1985 in Madras, Tamil Nadu, India.
নাম্বার 10 সাইফ আলী খান 175 মিলিয়ন।
Another popular actor who made his name and found fame in Bollywood is none other than Saif Ali Khan. Saif is also a member and Nawab of the Patodi family and the son of renowned actress Sharmila Tagore and cricketer Mansoor Ali Khan Patodi. His first solo hit came with the movie Kya Kehna in 2000, although he has acted in many other hits since early 90s. Saif's current net worth is estimated to be about $150 million, making him sixth in the richest actors in India.
নাম্বার 11 দিলীপ কুমার 85 মিলিয়ন।
Dilip Kumar was a veteran Bollywood actor known popularly as the Tragedy King for his portrayal of serious roles in Indian cinema. His original name was Muhammad Yusuf Khan, but he chose his stage name as Dilip Kumar. Dilip is often cited as one of the most successful film stars in the industry long before the era of SRK and Amitabh came. He is the winner of 8 Filmfare Award for Best Actor and 3 consecutive Filmfare Awards, both a record held for many years to come.
নাম্বার 12 রাজেশ খান্না 65 মিলিয়ন।
Referred as the first superstar of Indian cinema, Rajesh Khanna was a prominent Bollywood actor who died in 2012 at the age of 69. His net worth was estimated to be around $65 million, making him one of the richest Bollywood actors of all time. Not only this, he was also the highest paid actor in Hindi cinema throughout the 1970s and 1980s. Khanna also holds the record for acting in 15 consecutive successful movies and has won many awards and accolades.
নাম্বার 13 ধর্মেন্দ্র 60 মিলিয়ন।
Known as the He-Man of Bollywood, Dharmendra is a celebrated actor working in Indian cinema. His wife Hema Malini, sons Sunny Deol, Bobby Deol and daughter Aisha Deol are also well-known actors of Bollywood. In a career spanning 6 decades, Dharmendra has worked in over 301 films and also received the Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award for his contribution to Hindi cinema. Dharmendra's net worth is calculated to be around $70 million, making him of the richest Bollywood actors.
নাম্বার 14 অজয় দেবগন 55 মিলিয়ন।
Ajay Devgan is the son of Veeru Devgan, a stunt choreographer and action film director, and Veena, a film producer. He himself is also a well-known actor who works predominantly in the Bollywood cinema and has won numerous awards and accolades. Devgan's career began with the movie Phool Aur Kaate in 1991 and went on to make many hit movies in the 90s and 2000s. His original name was Vishal, but he changed it to Ajay as there were already many prominent stars named Vishal at that time.
নাম্বার 15 দেব আনন্দ 50 মিলিয়ন।
Dev Anand was one of the most successful actors of Bollywood cinema who worked in the industry from 1946 till his death in 2011. Although he started his career with the movie Ziddi in 1948, his breakthrough success came from his movie Bazi in 1951. For his contribution to Indian cinema, he was presented with many awards by the Government of India. Dev Anand's net worth was around $50 million and is ranked among the richest Bollywood actors of all time.